So, hello guys. Today I decided to show you how to use Fibonacci in a right way. This is very common, very popular and interesting instrument to analyze the chart, and it's universal. It's universal for forex peers. It's universal for stocks. Bonds, any equity to analyzing the cryptocurrencies and etc. So at first, let's start with technical aspects of the instrument. I will not tell you about the history of Fibonacci, because you can Google that. I will try to show you how to use it in a right way. So Fibonacci has two important parts, the technical parts. This is a trend line, this dotted line, and its levels. So Fibonacci shows 100% of the trend, and we can analyze the price movements opposite the trend, the correction of trend, and this can give us the very important levels, so we could trade to that levels, and we can trade after crossing of that levels. And there is no one universal Fibonacci for one time frame. You need to understand that we need to use in almost all time frames. So we need to start at first from monthly chart. This is Euro USD currency pair. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna search at first on the chart. I will search the trend. So if you see we have a downtrend on Euro US dollar currency pair on a monthly chart from 2008 until 2020. So I'm going to start from the beginning of this trend. Here it is June 2008. You can do the same on your chart, and I'm going to finish at the lowest level. So I have drawn the Fibo levels from the highest level to the lowest level, and it's better to use my settings for the Fibonacci. You need to extend your arrays, your lines to the right, and this will be very useful later. I'm going to show you why. And use the basic color on trading view. So, and you need to use different colors for different time frames and levels of Fibonacci, because on higher time frames these levels are much stronger, because they are a long term. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit darker colors, for example a red, I think, to mention and diagnose signals in a very fast way. So I think this red will be great. Okay, now we have the long-term most important prices based on Fibonacci. Next, I'm going to switch to weekly chart. Okay, to the normal size. Let's see what we have. Here. I have just touched a bit, and you can see, analyze later. I will record a video to show you the importance of that levels. Okay, and you can see how important are that levels, and the in a long-term prices can stop here. The first, second, we have targets here, and etc. So it's very useful. And now we are on a weekly chart, and on a weekly chart we can see the lowest price here and the highest here. So it means that I need to know we have more So we have the downtrend, the highest and lowest level, and I'm gonna draw the Fibo again, like here. I'm gonna change the colors to a different, I think the green one, yeah, looks great. Then I'm gonna switch to daily chart, and what we have here on a daily chart, the price action was just a mess during the last several weeks. So I have a very interesting situation, but I'm gonna use the last action, okay, the last downtrend of Euro USD currency pair. I think the last trend will be most relevant. I'm gonna draw it again, but I will change, of course, the colors. Now I will use, I think, the orange one. So during long-term trading, I will know the most important prices here. Then I'm gonna switch to H4 chart, and I see the last uptrend for Euro US dollar currency pair. I'm gonna draw another Fibonacci here from last week, and you know what, I'm gonna leave it white, but I will make it a little bit gray, yeah, to see, to not lose the whole picture of the chart. So and now if you can see, here is the magic, and in 1 hour chart, what I was doing in 1 hour chart, you see the whole result of this system of Fibonacci, and now you see the most important prices for several weeks after. So you see the price definitely will stop here. You see several Fibonacci levels are together, and that levels are crucial. You see here how price has stopped here, yeah, also here, and you will see, you will use these levels in a very important way for the future. So and now I can leave this chart, and when I will make daily decisions between the day, I will know where to stop, where are my risks. I can trade to that levels, or for example, if I will sell here, I know that I need to close my profit or loss here. So that's the short overview of how to use Fibonacci. Hope this video was useful for you. If you have some questions, please text me anytime. Just you can Google me, Amiran Azaladze. You can text me in any social networks. I'm almost everywhere. So I will be very happy to support you. Have a good day.